I got this snake puzzle some years ago and thought it was easy to solve, but I've tried it recently and it's not that simple. It's a row of cubes hinged so that there's elastic through the middle and they can revolve in one direction only. White and brown cubes. The white cubes have to go to the corners of the big cube and the brown ones in between. So I'm just going to make it slowly so you can see how I'm doing it. I hope yours is the same if this is the way to do it, but just work it around, make sure you get the white corners in place, and there's one white one right in the center, and there are two rows of 3 together in the middle, and you've got to make sure they go at right angles to each other but down the middle of the whole design. Just keep watching, you'll see how it goes. I can't explain it any better than this other than just show you, and you could use slow motion to kind of reverse and look again, see what I'm doing if you've got this puzzle. But it's clever the way it's done and quite a bit of work to solve. This is the one where I'm putting the 3 browns in a row down across, trying to leave no gaps. It's easy to leave gaps every so often, so you've got to make sure there's no gaps on the bottom, and then another row of 3 along the way. So that's almost there now. The next thing is to turn this little corner down to make sure we get the white on the corner. So we have to turn this down to get a white on the corner and not 2 whites together, and now we're almost finished. The rest goes quite quickly now. We just fold this one over there and then flick it over for the other corner, and then finally flick it over for the last corner. So that's how to solve the snake puzzle if you've got one. If you'd like to make one, it shouldn't be too hard. Get the original picture that I had at the beginning, drill some cubes with right angle holes and straight holes, and you can make it up along that line. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Bye now.